Good afternoon to everybody. Today we speak about week 7 for 7. Buenas tardes chicos, vamos a hablar acerca de la semana 7 para séptimo. Recuerde que usted debe estar registrado en su plataforma Live Worksheet. Si no lo está, tiene que registrarse o realizar todas las actividades a mano, por favor. Recuerda que esta es la última semana de este bloque y vamos a trabajar. Para la próxima semana ya no habrá video, ya que usted tiene que elaborarlo de forma individual, lo que es su proyecto. Vamos a ingresar. En séptimo B, en el ejemplo de séptimo B, aquí nosotros vamos a trabajar con la ficha número 10. Why travel by train? Classwork number 7. Read and answer the questions. Trains by Jack Hastings. Read the passage below. The first steam engine to pull a passenger train was built nearly 2,000 years ago. It took 2 hours to travel 40 kilometers. The early steam trains were coal to boil water and make steam. Trains have changed a lot of time. They use different sorts of power to help them travel faster and use less fuel. Some trains use diesel and fuel and some use electricity. Trains that use diesel fuel have large, heavy engines that use less fuel than other engines. In many series, passenger trains run on electricity. Some electric trains run underground through tunnels. One of the fastest trains in the world is called the bullet train. It is a Japanese electric train. It can travel at 300 kilometers per hour. Choose it question. Vamos a señalar las respuestas correctas. When was the first engine built? It's 2,000 years ago. Some trains use fuel diesel and some others use electricity. This is true. Electrical trains run underground through the tunnel. The trains can travel 300 per hour. Trains that use diesel have large engines. This is true. Exercise number 2. Read the words in the box carefully and then match with the pictures. Catch a train. This is graphic number 1. Catch a train. 2. Express train. 3. Luggage hall. 4. Timetable. 6. Miss a train or miss a bus. 'Single return. This is platform number. This is platform. This is railway. This is tunnel. This is buffer car. Bus or train fire. And this is ticket. Platform is here. I reviewed the configuration of this homework. Homework number 7. Read and do the exercise. I can't travel without. Yo no puedo viajar con. Vamos a leer y para realizar este ejercicio, ¿ya? Who likes to take as little luggage as possible, ¿ya? Patrick Langefield, the photographer, never goes without his Olympus pear-colored dating machine, with LEDs, with gasoline, with his response wherever he is. The tiny typists are either bows to his secretary, Felicity, or gives them someone to bring back. The quality is very good, but there are often some interesting broken noises. Vamos a leer acá. Dice, who likes to as a little luggage as possible? Who likes to keep a record of his travels? Who takes something he hasn't tasted? Which two people seem to take their work with them when travel? Which two people take something avoid bad experience they be having in the past? Who takes strange things in your opinion? Who takes the most useful thing in your opinion? Okay? Yeah. You have the answers. Here is Mel Carmen. Mel Carmen. Here is Patrick. Patrick Litchfield. Who takes something he has tasted? Frank Muir. Which two people tend to take their work with them when they travel? Is Barry Norman and Patrick Litchfield. Which two people think something to avoid there in the past? Barry Norman and Frank Muir. Who takes strange things in your opinion? Mel Carmen. Who takes the most useful thing in your opinion? Barry Norman. This is all, guys. Recuerde poner terminado. Usted pone terminado. Recuerde que las respuestas se guardan automáticamente. Y eso es todo, chicos. Muchas gracias. Buenas tardes. No se olvide que las personas que no están registradas en LiveWorksheets tienen que realizar el trabajo completamente a mano.